Hi everyone, our today's video topic is that how you can create UI for your mobile app using Google Stitch. And here you can see, and I have created 5 pages for our mobile app. If you watch this full video, then you will be able to make UI using Google Stitch. And the best part is here that you can edit this design in Figma. First of all, you have to go in stitch.withgoogle.com. So you will see interface like this, and we will build UI for our mobile app today using Google Stitch. So first of all, we will need a proper prompt which will help AI to understand better about what we need actually and how we want the design. So if you are using a proper prompt, then it will increase the chance to get a great output from AI. Just paste your prompt in Google Stitch. So here you can see my prompt, then I will just give to AI as it is, and it will take few minutes to build UI for our mobile app. So here you can see that our AI UI UX design and I think that if I change, then it will be better. From here in design system, you can actually edit the color, and here in paste color, I think that primary dark, a little bit dark, then here dark, save, and the vibrant option. Okay, so first one is homepage, BMI calculator, AI scanner, then dashboard, okay, then step tracker.